Hi guys, Metal Detectors of Dorset here, Simon speaking. On behalf of myself and Adrian, I'd just like to say thank you to everybody who subscribed to us. It's amazing like how far we've come in such a short time. Thank you very much. This video is going to be about keeping our metal detectors waterproof when we're out there in the field. Sometimes it rains, and it's important that we keep them nice and dry. So this video is going to be about basically how to make your own waterproof cover for with the Knox 800 with a budget of probably £2.50. On eBay they sell for like £15, which I think is quite a lot of money, and I found that you can make your own for, well, really cheap, £2.50 basically. All you need is one of these. You can buy these off eBay for £2.50, £3 max. Basically, it's a waterproof case for your mobile phone. And I bought a couple of these. Basically, what you do, and clip it like this, open it up, so you got a pouch like that, unclip these bits, it comes off easily like that, so then you're left with this side. Just pull that again so that comes off really easily. Then you're basically left with the plastic casing. This is one that I've already made. As you can see, I've cut it off so it fits okay. And on the back I've put a slit diagonally that way and a slit diagonally that way, so it flaps up so it's easier to go on. I'll show you how it goes on. If you like this video and our other videos, please could you give us a thumbs up, and could you hit the subscribe button? That would be awesome. Thank you very much. This is the case that I was on about. That's the back piece. Just slides on like so. There we go, guys. Got our own waterproof cover, £2.50. That's that flap. That just protects the under bit. Under there, look. So that goes under there like that. So basically that's it. I'll show you me cutting this other one up if you like, and then you can see how it's done. So basically, guys, this is the one that we've already cut. This is the one that we're going to cut. Basically what you want to do is cut just below this line here. So I'll do that now. I mean, if you want to, just cut a little bit off at a time, so you don't cut too much off. So you've now got your cut piece. Now what you need to do is cut from the middle up towards the corner of the black corner, but not all the way. And then the same this side. Like so. So you've got like an upside down, well, like a V. This allows it to slide on easier, and this bit covers up the terminals underneath the detector. Slide it on like so. And there you have it. You got your own waterproof case. There you go, guys. That's it then, guys. Cheers, guys. Thanks for watching. Please give me a like and subscribe. And we'll get back to you out on the field soon. I hope I saved you some money by this little trick. Cheers, guys.